Hello dear visitors, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you how to make easy yakni biryani for beginners. So without any wasting time, let's make. Water according to rice. If you are taking 2 glasses of rice, then you have to take double glasses of water. 2 glass basmati rice, wash and soak for 30 minutes. 1 kg chicken. 2 onions paste, 1 big onion sliced, 3-4 bay leaves, garam masala, 2 teaspoon fennel, sauf, 2 teaspoon coriander seeds, dhania, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 7 to 8 green chili, 1 teaspoon food color. These are ingredients. Let's cook. Heat 3 tablespoons oil in heavy bottom pan. Add the sliced onions. Fry on high heat for around 5 minutes till the onions are light brown. Now take it out. It's done. Add garam masala, bay leaves and ginger garlic paste. Fry on low heat for 2 minutes. And with this I am mixing onion paste. Slightly fry it. Now add the chicken pieces. Salt to taste. Here I am adding 2 teaspoons salt. Mix and fry on medium heat. Cover it for 5 minutes. For yakni water, I am taking 2 glass. Add 2 teaspoon fennel, sauf, and add 2 teaspoon coriander seeds, mota dhania. Once the water starts to boil and bubble, stop the flame. Strain yakni water in a bowl. Now I am going to add 2 glass yakni water inside the bottom pan and 2 glasses normal water. Now add 2 glass soaked basmati rice inside it. Stir it for 5 seconds very gently to not break the rice. Add some green chili inside it. Close the lid and cook on low heat for 10 minutes. You have to keep checking water in between. After 10 minutes, it's done. Close the flame. For color, add some kebra water. Now pour food color like this. Mix it evenly. Let's dish out. I have garnished with fried brown onion and fresh coriander leaves. If you like this video, so please subscribe, share and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.